वेलकम बॅक टू माय चॅनल. सो फ्रेंड्स, सदांचे भशेन न्हू हांव म्हजो ब्लॉग आतां इवनिंग स्टार्ट करता. आयज न्हू फ्रेंड्स म्हज्या तिदिनाच्या चेडवाचो 21st बर्थडे. ओके, आनी आमकां तेंच्यांनी इनवायट केल्या 21st बर्थडेक. घरा कडेच तो बर्थडे करता ती. आतां आमी रेडी जाल्या बीन सगळे, बाबाक बी रेडी केला. ओके, आनी आतां आमी भायर सरपाचें. ओके, फर्स्ट आमी आल्दोना वयतली डॅडी कलेक्ट करपाक. डॅडीक आनी कलेक्ट करतली बी आनी मागीर आमी वचपाचें. ओके, आमकां दाडा करपाक येयली आल्दोना. ओके, सो आतां आमी आल्दोना भायर सरता वचपाक केवलोसीम. ओके, सो हांव तुमकां डायरेक्टली केवलोसीम वचून येता. ओके, सो फ्रेंड्स आमी न्ही कांचनागेर बी पावली. ओके, जस्ट आतां पावल्या, स्टार्ट जावन ना अजून. सो तेच भशेन फ्रेंड्स आयज आमच्या दिनाची 25th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. ओके, सो तेज बर्थडे आनी 25th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी दोनी बाराबरती सेलिब्रेट करता. हांव जस्ट वयर येयलें, तांच्या सोपाक घेता. ओके, सो तुमकां मागीर मेळटा.
Okay, good evening, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, family, relatives, neighbors of Quincy and Souza family. I'm very much delighted on behalf of Souza family to grace this occasion or to host this occasion. 21st birthday is a big untold age today. It is a God's blessing.
Congratulations and celebration when I tell everyone that
Lavina Fernandez to do the honor of raising the toast.
Good evening, everyone. For those who don't know me, मुझे नाम Lavina, and I have absolute joy of being Quincy's cousin. Tonight we are raising a glass to someone incredible, someone special, my dearest cousin Quincy. Maka खूप खुशालकाय भोगता to raise a toast on her 21st birthday. I really feel lucky to say a few words for her on a special day. So let's take a moment to look back at all the unforgettable memories. So, Poile Swater, till the time Quincy was born, she's been a very brave girl. Life hasn't always made it easy for her, but she's faced every challenge with a smiling face, as you're smiling now. The best part is that how Quincy Lanponi Sanzana. 365 days asat, but meeting up during summer days were the best. Every year summer holidays start जाता, Quincy आपल्या तोंडाचेर एक व्हडली स्माइल घेवन येताले, and with a hair full of stories. Summer days with Quincy सारखे best. I hope you won't forget all the moments together. Quincy, as you step into this incredible chapter of your life, remember that journey we have shared has been nothing short of magical. आयज तू पळोवंक इतलें बरें दिसताय. May your life also be full of beauty, grace and happy moments. And let's not forget the true hearts behind it, your lovely parents who raised you with so much of love. If तुम्ही नको जाल्यार Quincy आपल्या दाडाचे चोड मोगाचे. and to her mom, who is her first teacher, her friend, and an incredible mother. And now, how can we forget, of course, Tajotsor Mogatso Bao, who gave her all the love that a brother can give a sister. Last, I would just say that cheers to 21, a journey full so bright, may your dreams take flight and future feel light. God bless you always, Quincy.
A great future and excellent opportunities which are waiting ahead to Quincy. It's high time.
First of all, I just want to say big thank you to God for blessing me with another year of life, for His endless love and surrounding me with amazing people. To my parents, thank you for everything, your love, your guidance and your constant support, especially to my dad. Thank you for working hard, for always being there to me and making these days possible. Your support means to the world to me.
Stop. One Bosolo, this one is out. This one is out. Again, 1, 2, 3. Here there are 4. That side, see how many that lady has put. 5, 5, 5. Becky, hurry up, hurry up. You now be the judge for this. काय चालतोय बाहेर काय चालतोय करतो काय चाल बाहेर बात निघत असेल
सो फ्रेंड्स आमी तुमकां आतां मेळटले ओके. सो बर्थडे बी सगळी बरी भाशेन जाली. आतां न्हू फ्रेंड्स आमी हिंगासून भायर सरता ओके वचपाक घरा कडेन. सो हांवें चिंतलें ताजे पयलीं हांव म्हजो ब्लॉग हिंगासूनच एंड करतलें म्हण. सो आयज समज धाकटोसो ब्लॉग तुमकां लायक जालो म्हज्या काजन भयणीचे बर्थडे आसा एनिवर्सरीचो जाल्यार प्लीज डू लायक शेअर and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until then, see you in the next vlog. Bye.